Well, the window came in. I just popped it in. Then Dawn popped it in. I got some towels up there just to keep the draft out. Gotta finish it off. Gotta do the shims and trim and whatnot. And roof support, something to that effect. And I'm waiting on the cement truck. Forms are ready for the cement truck, and people told me to coat the forms with concrete release chemical, which I can't find anywhere, or oil, motor oil they told me, but one guy said use vegetable oil right from Clayton's, the big concrete place, so we'll see what's going to happen. We'll see. Glug, 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 glug. Truck. Big truck. Okay, the truck's been here and gone. And we got concrete. And the first rough float. Lead. Coal. I got a line from the level, but I'll get rid of that on the next float. And leftover garbage. And my new wheelbarrow.